Assalamu alaikum viewers. Myself Taiba Fras. Today's big news from Lodhran that Tareen Education Foundation organizes 8th Science Fair in Lodhran. Lodhran, Pakistan, the Tareen Education Foundation recently hosted its 8th Science Fair at Lodhran Public School, attracting 350 students from 70 government schools. The event aimed to promote science, information technology and modern education. Jahangir Khan Tareen, founder of Tareen Education Foundation, announced a Pakistan 15 million package to upgrade educational facilities in Lodhran's middle and high schools. Deputy Commissioner Lodhran Syed Wasim Hassan Shah praised the foundation's efforts, emphasizing the importance of science competitions in promoting quality education. The science fair showcased innovative projects and prizes were awarded to top performing students and teachers. The event was a testament to the foundation's commitment to improving education in Lodhran.